New dump truck, new battery boxes, new exhaust, new motor. This is the new motor. C12 or a 3306 came from. I have to do wiring, a lot of upgrades. We're putting new tanks, new battery box, new wiring. Have to rewire the whole truck. Gonna have Jake brakes where this truck didn't have Jake brakes. Got an issue with the foot pedal. Working on trying to figure out how to make my foot pedal work, my resistor and my foot pedal work. It goes down like this. My theory is to mount it up here with a rod and wire it in. But we'll see how it goes from there and see how it works out. Brand new starter, brand new alternator, and we'll let you know when I get it running. Thank you.